Hey, Tapping Airlines Math Industry, and we will be learning about how to calculate acceleration. The definition of acceleration is to change a speed by increasing or decreasing the speed. Therefore, we can say that we are accelerating when a car gets faster or it goes faster, or a car slows down. Acceleration is the change in speed, what we're changing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use a word problem and we're gonna try and solve it. And here is a great example of acceleration. So, that Shinkansen, also known as a Japanese train, what we're gonna try and find out is what the acceleration of that train is, because you saw in the video how the train was getting faster and faster. To calculate the Shinkansen's acceleration, there is actually a formula that we're going to be using. The formula is acceleration equals the final velocity by the difference of the starting velocity. Then we divide by time to see and get our answer in a number per seconds, hours, or minutes. The reason why we use and say the difference of the final velocity and the starting velocity is because imagine the final velocity being a slower speed than the starting velocity. Acceleration not only talks about going faster and getting up to a higher speed, but it also talks about actually slowing the car down or slowing the speed down. Because imagining the final velocity being a slower speed than the starting velocity, that will become a negative number. And when we divide by time, our answer for acceleration would be a negative number. When we are working with speed, we are not using negative numbers. So we're using the differences between the two. That will be a positive number. Let's use the formula to find the Shinkansen's acceleration. Oh, and yeah, we're gonna use kilometers in case you guys are watching this worldwide. And if you're watching it in the USA, remember, a kilometer is 0.62 of a mile. The people in the Japanese anime said the Shinkansen was racing at 500 kilometers an hour before acceleration. But since the Shinkansen has to get to ultra evolution speed, it must accelerate to 1,225 kilometers per hour. When the Shinkansen reaches that speed, it will be able to transform at ultra evolution speed. Let's plug this in, the formula. So, we have acceleration equals, for the final velocity to represent v, that is ultra evolution speed. So, it had to accelerate to 1,225 kilometers per hour. And we have to find the difference from the starting velocity. The Shinkansen was racing at 500 kilometers an hour. And from the video, for the Shinkansen to get from 500 to Ultra Evolution, it took 12 seconds. So we have all the information to find what acceleration is. The first thing to do is to find out what the difference between 500 and 1225 is. The answer between that would be 725 kilometers per hour. That is how much the speed of the Shinkansen increased. So since we combined the two to find what the difference is, our last step to do is 725, and we have to divide that by 12, as in seconds, as the t, as in time. When we do 725, divide that by 12, we're going to get 60.4. 60.4 what? 60.4 kilometers per second squared. So, it took the Shinkansen 12 seconds to accelerate from 500 to 1225. And the answer for acceleration is every second the Shinkansen would increase by 60.4 kilometers. 60.4 kilometers in speed. Hooray! We found the answer to what acceleration is, but why does the Shinkansen have to reach 1225 kilometers and to reach Ultra Evolution speed? The reason is it turns and transforms into a robot. That is a very cool machine. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe. And let's see a race car fall off the track because it accelerates and gets to a dangerously high speed.
You want to